Okay, beautifuls, here we go. The first thing that I like to do is just take the little spoolie and comb through the eyebrows. Kind of get them the way that you want them to be done. As you can see, I've already done one for you. So now I'm just going to focus on this one right here. And my eyebrows are pretty much like how I like them. I really don't like to fill them in too much because I feel as though they're filled in pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I do things a little different. So after I brush, the next thing I do is I take my concealer and I outline my eyebrows with my concealer. I don't take a pencil and outline, and the reason that I don't do that, I feel it's too much. And then I have a difficult time getting that line exactly how I like it. So I just usually take my concealer, which is the MAC NC45. And what I like to do is just outline the bottom of my eyelid. And this gives me the base to work on. So when I pretty much gotten the line like I like it, I do the same thing at the top. But at the top, I usually start in the center and kind of work my way down where the two actually meet. And you can kind of see where they meet. Then I just take the concealer and go from the top. Once I have the concealer the way that I like it, then what I like to do is just take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Stick and just fill my eyebrows in just a tad bit. Not too much. As you can see, my eyebrows are kind of already filled in. I don't like them to be too dark. I like them to look natural. So I just kind of just fill them in just a little bit. Wherever I see the need to. Like I said, not too much. As you can see, my end doesn't extend how I want it to extend. So what I like to do is I like to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel to extend that line just a little bit. And as you can see, I'm going to just extend it just a little bit. Once I've gotten it the way that I want it to look, I'll just take my spoolie again and just brush. Then what I'll do is I'll take my brush and just begin to blend out. Blend, blend, blend. Blend the concealer up at the top and blend it out. Then I'll take the bottom and just kind of take the concealer and come down with it. Make sure you blend. Get it all blended down. As you can see, I'm just taking it and I'm blending it. Blending this up, away from me, making sure you have that precise line. Just get it to where you want it to go. Then what I like to do is just take this little makeup sponge and just blend. Just make sure I'm blending all of that concealer as much as I can. Blend it out. Just taking it and blending. Blending, blending, blending. You know they say blend, blend, blend. That's what you have to do. Blend, blend, blend. You can blend it as much as you want to. If you're going to be putting foundation on, you're going to be covering that up in the first place. But say for instance you just want to go out like this, just make sure that it's blended very well. Now once I have it blended the way that I want it to be done, I'll take the spoolie again and just go ahead and brush Then once I feel as though the concealer is blended in, my eyebrows look the way that I want it to look, then I'm going to take this Sonia Kashuk, and I might be pronouncing the name wrong, brow gel, which I love. And you can actually find this brow gel. Well, I used to be able to find it at Target, and I can't find it anymore. If you know where I can get this concealer at, please leave it in the description box. I have been trying to find it for months, looking on a website. I cannot find it. I'm not sure if it's not being sold anymore, but I have gone to a lot of my local Targets and I can't seem to find it. But this is the best brow gel that I like to use. I love it. It sets my eyebrows. They're in place all day. They don't budge. They don't move. So if you know where I can get this eyebrow gel, just please put it in the description box. I would love to be able to find it. So as you can see, I've blended it very well. I've set my eyebrows. And there you go. You have that perfect eyebrow look.